Hi everybody! In this fifth lesson, we will continue discovering the properties of the horizontal line and how we can change its shape. In the previous lesson, we used the tag HR, horizontal line, to separate two sections in an HTML page. In this lesson, we will learn how to change the properties of the horizontal line. To the tag HR, add the following properties. 1. Width equals 300px in order to define the width of the line. 2. Size equals 4px in order to define the height of the line. 3. Color equals red to change the color of the horizontal line. 4. Align equals center to define the alignment of the horizontal line. And finally, in case you want to change the color of the text, add the tag font color equals red and close the tag with a /font. Save the page and display it in the browser in order to see the result. Now comes the time for you to practice the tags you learned in this lesson. Open the page you created in the previous lesson and change the properties of the horizontal lines and the color of the titles Monday to Friday, each title with a different color. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in order to access to additional educational resources.